recipe Naija TV. In today's video guys, we are going to be making pineapple and ginger juice. Okay guys, also I have my lemon in here. This is the three items I will be needing in this recipe. Okay guys, so stay tuned and watch how I make this pineapple juice. First, I will start by peeling off the skin. Okay guys, stay tuned. Lest I forget guys, are you coming across my video for the first time? Guys, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe for your girl. Also like my video. Turn off the bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay guys, I love you all. Stay tuned. So guys, I'm peeling off the pineapple now. Okay guys, so stay tuned. So I have my bowl here. I'll transfer the back into the bowl. Okay guys, stay tuned guys. So guys, this one that I'm cutting now, I'm going to blend it guys. So guys, I have my bowl in here. So guys, I have my pineapple in here. It's time for me to peel the ginger. Stay tuned guys. Okay guys, so I have my peeled ginger here. Now I will be taking off the skin and put it inside the bowl. Okay guys. So guys, I will be adding it to the pineapple. This is the ginger. So guys, in here I have the lemon orange. I will be peeling off the skin too. Okay guys, I have my lemon orange. Here's the skin. I'll be adding it to the ginger skin too. So guys, here is my pot. Now I'll be adding my pineapple skin into the pot. Also have my ginger and lemon skin. I'll be adding it too. So here is the, now I'll be adding water. So guys, I have everything here already. The pineapple, ginger, lime skin, everything is inside the pot. Now I'm going to cover it to cook for like 12-13 minutes. Then I will turn off my gas. Okay guys. So here is the water. This, so guys, as I said before, this is the water. Okay, I'm going to be using it to blend the pineapple and the ginger. Okay guys. time for me to draw the juice. I have my filter in here. Okay, guys. So I have my spoon. I will use my spoon to filter it very well. So guys, I have my juice in here. It's ready. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So guys, it's time for me to squeeze my lime orange. Okay, this is what I'll be using. This is the second part. So guys, I have my lime orange here. My juice is ready, guys. So guys, this is the outcome of my juice. Okay, guys, you can also give this a try. Okay, we are summer already, guys. Let's keep fit. I love you all. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Okay, guys, I love you. Bye.